Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss that how can you remove your object from your specific image. Let's suppose you have captured the image in the public place, and then definitely you have some kind of objects, either the humans or any kind of object, and you want to remove that particular objects. Or even if you have any kind of product and you want to remove a specific type of object, then how can you do that? You have few choices. If you are familiar with the graphic designing, you can use the Photoshop, you can use the Illustrator or any kind of tool to remove the object from your image. Or if you are not familiar with these kind of tools, you need the AI based software or the web-based applications. So in this video, we're gonna show you that how can you remove the object without technical knowledge. You just need to drag and drop your object and that's it. Your system automatically remove the objects out of the box for you. Make sure you have to just select your object to remove from your image. So how can you do that? Let's get started.
Okay guys, so now go to the Google, find the clip drop. So this is the official website of the clip drop. Just click on it. As you can see, this is the official website. Go to the app and this is the clean up. So drag and drop your image. I'm going to find a particular image for you. I'm just selecting this image to remove the objects from this kind of image. So now as you can see, I have my picture and also some objects in a text format. So you can increase the brush size, and here you can zoom in and zoom out by using the move functionality or options available in your web apps. Okay, now I'm going to remove this text. So just select with your mouse. As you can see, I'm now selecting the text and the system automatically going to remove this text out of the box for me. I'm just selecting. Wait for a few seconds, please. Now I have successfully selected. Now release your mouse. Wait for a few seconds. Wait, please. Oh, boom. So now the system automatically removed the object out of the box for you. Now zoom out, and I'm going to also remove this text. So I'm just zooming in and increasing my brush size. So select once again the text area in this image. That's it. Just release the mouse. So as you can see, wow. So you can also remove this one and also this one. Remove, and also this one, and also remove this one. Once you remove the objects from your image, then you have the download button available here. As you can see, this is the download button. Just download it, open. So you can see we have successfully removed the object. So now as you can see, this is the HD. So I have purchased the plan, so that's why it's showing me the HD, and this is the real, and this is the updated version of the image.
Okay guys, so in this way you can remove your object from your image. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks. And please support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.